What up, guys? Welcome to the vlog. Today I am here with my friend Jam and Justin. So today we're doing a silly string fight. We got some guns. This is Jamie's gun. Woo! And this is my gun here. I got a red one. And they can shoot pretty far. Like Jamie was here and it shot way out there.
Jamie first.
Pretty far. So that is good. So Justin, he didn't want to we didn't want to fight with us because we're too good.
Yeah,
so it's just going to be me and Jamie, and he is going to be recording. So
yep.
Lego.
Okay, so we're ready now. Chris and Jamie are about to start. 3, 2, 1, go!
Boys! Come on, boys!
Well, Chris has very good aiming on that. Chris is, and looks like Jamie is a little stuck in it, but now he's got it all off and ready. Okay, we're back here now. Oh, looks like Jamie's reloaded, Chris is reloaded, and they're ready. Oh, what? No, Jamie's reloading now. Looks like we've had something wrong. Looks like cap came off on the spray. The silly string.
I got something in my mouth.
Look at everywhere.
It's all over me.
Look at it, everyone.
Okay, dude.
There's so much here.
Alright,
We're back again. Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go! I think Chris might be good at this. He usually plays a bit of Call of Duty, but Jamie, he's got, oh, cam fell out.
No.
Oh, man, that was...
I broke it. No.
I think Chris broke his can.
Stop the gun.
No.
Mine's out. Mine's broken.
Just check it.
Mine's out.
Nope, I can't see any cat.
Stuck
Looks like
in
there's
there.
no cat. Can't find
Oh
it.
my god, that's sick.
Wait, show.
This, guys. Look at this. It's stuck in there like the cap. I don't know.
Well, I'm out.
Okay, I'm gonna try and fix this. Okay, hold that, Jamie. Okay.
I'm out. I don't know what he's doing.
Oh!
Pepper spray.
Hey Justin, check this out, Justin. Oh, look at that. Come on, camera. You want some, camera? Come on, camera. Yeah, right, camera. Come on. Justin.
Ah! Help! Madman. Chris, Maxim is a madman.
Oh!
Oh, that doesn't taste good. Help. Oh! Spray the car.
Okay, guys. Whew. This is good. I think the stuff on my camera is gonna wipe you. Okay, thank you. Okay. This is sick right now, boys.
Trying to get all the bloody stuff out of my hair.
Oh, wow. Okay, I think we've actually...
I might have enough storage if I just do
Okay.
it and then I'll iCloud it to my iPhone.
So Justin thinks about starting a vlog now. So, yes, my gun is pretty much stuffed. I'm not... Oh, no. Oh. Ah, you can't get me, bro. I have some. Oh, this is all sticky. My hand's sticky now. Oh, jeez. Grenade.
Hey guys, Justin's trying to vlog here, and I'm here for another vlog.
He's starting his vlog.
Vlogging right there. We're just doing a silly
Yo,
spray.
by the way, if you have it on the side, it looks heaps better. No,
Yeah.
on the side. Like, because it's all weird when you do it like that, but whatever.
Oh, my hair's disgusting.
Want some more?
No, wait. Wait, I'm gonna go.
Woo!
Look at my hair.
It's all wrecked. Show us
Have
again.
you-
Show us again.
No, stop you.
Well. Oh, he threw it at me. Okay. We've wrecked him. Okay, let's go wreck Justin.
Chris and my other Jamie, well, they
Woo.
were doing a silly string fight, and Chris completely sprayed me with it.
Yo.
And he's there with his GoPro. He's vlogging as well. Go check
Subscribe.
him. Christopher Maxim.
Chris Maxim.
Oh, Chris Maxim. And yeah, go subscribe, like his video, and
Oh,
on his video,
I am.
tell him to stop spraying me. 'Cause it's really annoying. Comment below. Yeah. Chris, don't be a madman.
Oh, he's going all hectic. Camera.
And I'm guessing we're gonna have to clear out all this. No, I'm not gonna. Don't think we'll clear it up. I think we're just gonna. He's starting all over me. No.
Oh my God.
Yeah. Comment below, Chris, you madman. No.
Don't forget to subscribe. Give this channel. Don't forget to. What is with me? I feel like just spraying. Oh gosh, I think I've trashed you. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is good. Oh, guys, we just finished our silly string sort of fight. We've all ran out of our stuff, so now we're going to go down there and we're going to.
Yeah, boys.
Yeah. So we're going to do some stuff. I don't know what,
Hey
but
guys,
so
I'm
yeah.
back.
Yo guys, now we're going down here. So it's yes. One time I literally slid all the way down here and I had like white shirt and everything and I got so dirty.
Almost broke my ankle down here, mate.
Whoa, crap. Once
we're going
I had to
down
like
here now.
grab stuff and it was
said
hard.
in his vlog that
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm sliding! Oh! Holy crap! Oh my God! That is surely like hiking downhill gone wrong. Oh my God, bro! You need like first aid. Jeez. Let's watch this.
These are not grippy.
Oh God! Did you like roll your ankle or something?
I don't know, but it hurts like hell. You're right, Jamie.
Jeez!
Jeez.
Didn't even plan that, bro.
I'm actually not alright.
Didn't even plan that.
Looks like Jamie had a
God, that looks. Jeez.
There you go.
Let's come and look at this view. Like,
Look at it.
awesome.
Here, Birchwood Park, we got a beautiful view of the mountains. By the way, this quality is so shit because I'm
Yo, this is some sketchy crap right here. Jamie, if you fall,
Jamie.
yeah,
This kid
probably your leg done as well.
Look. Ready?
Look at him.
Jamie. That's my rep soccer goalkeeping done for you. Look at Jamie. He's like
Bloody hell.
23, and then you just got like a big ditch, a mountain.
Yo, recording, bro. Woo, vlog in.
Put
In the comments, hashtag Jamie is a dumb person.
doing this.
Look what he's doing. If he slips, like he just slipped down that hill, like that, he could break his like
Put in
foot
the
or something.
comments
So
if you think he
yeah, he's climbing back down. Oh my gosh, I'm coming to look. Oh, the wind. Oh crap, I just spilled some Mountain Dew. Oh, Jesus, Jamie.
Please don't fall. These two idiots.
Hashtag pray for
One
Jamie.
idiot is being an idiot.
What the hell? You just said one idiot is being an idiot.
Oh, I don't.
Hashtag pray for Jamie.
Hashtag Justin sucks at grammar and English. Say it, Chris.
He does.
say it. Every time
Hashtag Justin
in
sucks at
class,
grammar and English.
I say done.
This is the story. So he's like, I done it when the proper grammar is I did it. So he says that all the time. So yeah.
Chris is gonna do something stupid like.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna jump down here.
I'm a swearer.
So please give this a like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and hashtag Chris don't die.
Okay, come on, bro.
Chris don't die.
Down here. Okay.
Do it.
Ah!
Oh
Shit.
oh god.
Oh my god.
Whoa. Okay, I'm gonna try.
Hurt my arm, but
I'm gonna try climbing down the tree again.
Okay, Jamie's gonna climb down the tree.
hashtag praise for Jamie as well.
I think I actually hurt my arm from doing
I'm
that.
just gonna stop this one
Ah.
right here. Or
Jeez.
not. I'm just gonna
That hurt. Okay.
stop it. I'm gonna
Okay, this is Jamie climbing tree,
maybe.
part 2.
Or just stop the video here, and then I'll join you back. I know. I don't know. It's like your second one. I'm gonna stop here and I'll be right back to tell you what happened to Jamie. He's gonna be in.
It's jumping.
Pretend you jump. 2.
Ready?
3. No. I'm not watching. 1.
Justin's not watching. He did something to his leg. Justin.
Ah, that hurt.
What happened? Do you think?
Oh, I think I broke.
Oh my god, dude.
That was stupid.
Oh, dude, he did something to his leg. Oh my god, dude, come back up. Guys, you'll not believe this, but Justin just fought. Stop this. Jamie just fought, and it was a prank, right? And Justin actually believes that Jamie hurt his leg from jumping off that rock. Wow. Where is he now? Jamie! You coming up, bro? Okay. Okay, we're now going back up. What? Okay, yeah. We're now going back up. He needs me to help him. So, oh crap, plant. We're now going back up to.
Shit, we're going back up now.
This is gonna be hard.
Yeah, bro. Dude, what I do, I grab roots.
Ow!
Even if, dude, that one's right there, that one right there. The stick. Okay, dude, grab that. Keep going, bro. Keep going, bro. Oh crap. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so bros, I think now we're going for a swim. I have a waterproof case, so I'm gonna put the waterproof case on and in the pool, and we're gonna do some stuff in my pool. There's the aftermath of everything that happened. Look.
Then we're gonna go back to my house and do flips.
All that, and yeah, after we have a swim, we're gonna go to Jamie's house, do some flips, even if you can, because his leg, bro, his leg, he hurt it, sliding down there, and everything. So now we're going to my.
Thank you for watching, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe now. Give this video a like. Thanks for watching. Sorry I didn't get to do anything much more. I said we were going to swim in my pool, but I don't think I actually said that. But yeah, sorry if you got your hopes up. So thanks for watching. Bye.